Hello everyone, welcome back to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. Before we proceed guys to our topic today, please subscribe, like, share to Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. Now we're going to proceed to our topic, which is multiplying mixed numbers. When you see it multiplying mixed number guys, in order to solve it smoothly, you need to solve first for the first fractions. So for example, the given fraction is 3 and 1/4. You are going to solve it first. Then, second is 2 and 1/8. By how, teacher Ram? Simple as that. In multiplying mixed number, you need to rename first the mixed number by multiplying the denominator to the numerator of each fractions. By how? I am going to show you how to solve it. We're going to write the first fraction, which is 3 and 1/4. I'm going to show you guys. 3 and 1/4. Then I multiply that denominator to numerator. So 4 times 3, this is multiplication guys. So we answer is 12. Plus the numerator, which is 1. The answer is 13. And where did I get 4? 4 is from here, the denominator for the first fraction. The answer for 3 and 1/4 is 13/4. So we're going to write it here. 13/4. Then don't forget to write the multiplication symbol. Then the next is we're going to solve the 3 and 1/4. Okay? No, sorry. The 2 and 1/8 rather. So we're going to solve it 2 and 1/8. So same. Multiply denominator to numerator. 2 times 8. So we're going to write here 16 and plus our numerator 1. So the answer is 17/8 from the denominator. So we're going to transfer it, guys. 17/8. Now, is it final? No. We need to multiply numerator to denominator. So numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. And right after this, you are going to what we call simplify. So by how? So we're going to solve 17 times 13. So 17 times 13 guys. So we need to solve it 7 times 3. So please keep on watching. 21. So we are going to write 2 above here to the next number being multiplied. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 2, don't forget the remainder. So we're going to write 5. That's 51 next. 1 times 7. So we're going to write it here, 7. Next, 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus sign, add 1. Then 5 plus 7. So we have 12. Regroup 1. Bring down 2. So the answer here is 221. Okay, next we're going to multiply 4 times 8. So we're going to write here 32 guys. Ram, 32 is final? No. We need to simplify it. By how? We need to divide denominator to numerator. I'm going to show you guys. 221, even though it's too long, but step-by-step procedure guys on how to solve multiplying mixed numbers by 32. So when our denominator becomes divisor and then our numerator becomes the dividend. Remember, dividend is greater than the divisor, which is 32. So we need to divide 32 to 22. So the answer is cannot be guys. So we're going to proceed to 221. How many? 32 and 221. So we're going to write here 6. So multiply that. 32 times 6. So we have 12, 8, 10, 19. So that is what we called 192. So 192. Subtract guys. Here. So becomes 7, 9. So bar guys here, 12. Okay, so we have 39. So divide 32, so we're going to write here 1. So we have 39 divided 32 is 1, so we have here 32 guys, so 7. So we are going to add 0. It's 70, so we have 70 divide 32. So we need here 32. How many? 70 and 32. So we have 2, 4. So we have 264. So subtract it. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then 7 becomes 6. So we have here 6. So our answer now is 612 over 32 guys. So here, we're going to write here 612 for our final answer. Excuse me for a while. Okay, we need to write here 612. This one guys, 612 over 32 for our final answers here. Okay, we have here 612. So we're going to write here over 32. That will be our final answer for 3 and 1/4 times 2 and 1/8. So it's too long to process, but it is quite clear on how to solve multiplying mixed number with our example 3 and 1/4 times 2 and 1/8, my dear viewers. So here, we're going to, proceed to for our problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to solve it one by one for a while. Okay, we need to solve first. Number 1, we have 5 and 5, 6 times 3 and 2, 7. Let's start first. 5 and 5, 6. We multiply that, 6 times 5, then plus 5. Okay, for our numerator. So 6 times 5, the answer is 30. Plus 5, we have 35 over 6. The next is 3 and 2, 7. So we have here 3 and 2, 7. We need to multiply that. 7 times 3. So plus 2. That is 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2. So we have here 23 over 7. So we need to combine the result. 35 and 23, 7. 35 over 6 times 23 over 7. Next guys, you need to multiply that. Then if your teacher says that you need to simplify, you can proceed that. But it's too long process, but it's okay. So you need to multiply 35 and 23. I'm going to show you. 35 times 23. 5 times 3 guys. So we have here 15. regroup 1 to the next number being multiplied. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. That's our 105 for the first product. Next, multiplied 5 and 2, the result is 10. We need to regroup 1 above the next number to being multiplied. 3 times 2, we have 6 plus 1, we have 7. So we are going to put an addition sign, guys, that's plus. Okay. Bring down 5, 0, so 8. So we have here 805. So 7 times 6, so we have 42. Now this will be our answer. We can proceed also, guys, by dividing it numerator to denominator, just like this. 805 divide 42. So 42 divide 80, so we have here, okay, 2, 42 times 2, so we have 4, 84, so we have only 1, that is 42. So let's subtract, guys. 10 minus 2 is 8. So we have here 7, 3, so cannot be, bring down 5. So still, you can divide it continuously, guys, here for 42. Or how many 42? And 385. Okay? We can continue it, guys, until we can find the what we call simplified for 805 over 42. So let's continue 45, 385 to 42. So it's our first here. So 42, so we have 7. 1, 16, 18, so we have here 9. So we have 378. So let's subtract it. 5 borrowed to 8. 8 becomes 7. So we have here 15 minus 8. So we have here the answer. So that's 7. So our answer now is mixed number also, guys. So we have 19 and 7 over 42. Okay, so this will be our answer, guys. 19, then 7 over 42. That will be our answer for number 1. So let's go first. Here's this one first. Okay, we can just forget our answer is 19. This will be for number 1, 19 and 7 over 42, my dear viewers. Okay, let us proceed for number 2. We have here 8 and 3, 9 times 4 and 2 thirds. So let's solve it first. So for number 1, so we're going to reset. So it's too long. Number 1 is done. $19, $7.42. That's for number 1. Because we simplified it, my dear viewers. But if you want to answer it just like that, so if you want to do not answer about simplified, it's okay. But we need to show you guys how to solve it. So we proceed to number 2, 8 and 3, 9. This is for number 2. 8 and 3, 9. So we need to multiply first this one, guys. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 3. So we have here 75 over 9. Okay, we're going to write here 75 over 9. Okay, so next we have 4 and 2/3, this one. So we need to show you guys how to solve that. So 4 times 3, so we have 12, plus 2, so we have 14. So we're going to write here 14 over 3. Let's continue here. So we have 3 times 9, so we have 27. So we need to multiply 75 times 14. Okay. So same procedure, guys. You can continue until you simplify that. 5 times 4, so we have 20. So 7 times 4, we have 28. Plus 2, so we have 30. So 1 times 5 is 5. So bring down 5. Then 1 times 7 is 7. Then add. Bring down 5. So let's have first here. Our answer is 1050 over 27. And you can simplify it also, like guys, if you need to simplify that. Let us proceed to number 3. So we have 7 and 3/3 times 3 and 2/4. Oh my god. Let us solve it. 7 and 3/3. Same procedure. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 3, we have 24 over 3. Or third. So next, 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14 over 4. Let's continue. So we have 3 times 4. The answer is 12. Then 24 times 14. So we need to solve it. 24 times 14. 4 times 4, so we have 16. We group 1. 2 times 4, we have 8. Plus 1, we have 9. Then next, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have to add first here. Bring down 6. Then 9 plus 4. So we have 13. So we have here 336 over 12. And you can simplify it also get just like what I did a while ago. You can continue like that. Next, we need to proceed to number 4. So we have here number 4. Okay, for number 2, we have 1050 over 27. 3 is at 336 over 12. Next, we have number 4. We need to transfer it, guys. We have here 4 and 5, 6. So let us multiply it first. So we have 24 plus 5. So we have 29 over 6. Next is 3 and 4 fifths. 3 and 4 fifths. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 4 is our answer, 19 over 5. So we're going to combine it. 29 over 6 times 19 over 5. So 6 times 5. So we have 30. So let's multiply 29 times 19. So let's have first 29 times 19. So we have first 9 times 9 is at 1. 2 times 9 is 10. So we're going to write here. Next answer 115. Okay, so let's write 551 over 30 for number 4. 551 over 30. And you can simplify this also, guys, if you want, okay? So I'm going to discuss it, right, how you're going to simplify it, just like what I did a while ago. Just follow the directions on how to solve it. Excuse me for a while. Okay, next let's proceed to number 5. Okay. 6 and 2/3. So let's multiply first here. This one is 18. Next plus 2. We have 20 over 3. So we have 20 over 3 times 3 and 2/5. So we have 3 and 2/5. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 2, 17 over 5. Let's multiply it. So we have 3 times 5 is 15. 20 times 17. So let me show you. 20 times 17. 0 times 7, 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Times 0, so 0, so 2. So we have first 340. And that is our answer for number 5. Okay, so 340 over 15. Okay, that's too long process, my dear viewers. Hope you really understand our topic today about how to multiply mixed numbers in a quick and easy steps. But we have a too long process, but it depends upon your teachers if he or she requested to simplify it. But all you have to do is just like what I did a while ago. So even though it's too long, but it's step-by-step procedure so that you can answer it properly with regards to the following equations, the following problems regarding solving mathematics. Remember that we can't deny the fact that mathematics is not an easy, what we call subject, but we need to comprehend it. Every questions, every numbers, it requires more solution. That's why math, we need to do it properly and think it properly. Once again, my dear viewers, my dear students, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated in our latest video tutorial to Ram's Educational channel. Bye-bye! See you in my next video!